Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun controls your ninth house, and right now Sun is starting from your sixth house in the sign of Taurus. Sun will stay into your sixth house till 15 June. After 15 June, Sun will move from your sixth house to your seventh house in the sign of Gemini, where Jupiter is already transiting. So, what is ninth house? Is your education, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your luck, how fortunate you are, your education, higher education, your postgraduate education, following the rules and regulation, religious matters, or a second marriage. All of these things are represented by your ninth house lord starting from your sixth house till 15 June. If your sixth house deal with your court case litigation argument, so if you are dealing with such thing into your life, then till before 15 June, we can expect you will have good result regarding all of that matter. Things will turn into your favor. You will have to face some disturbing result initially, but things will turn into your favor. After 15 June, when Sun will move from your sixth house to your seventh house. Seventh house is your spouse, your commitment, your legal bindings, your agreemented things, how you will meet others, how others perceive you. Third, seventh, and 11th house always connected to your social circle, your get together, and your meetings. So you will be involving a lot regarding your, if you're some public figure or you have work involved in public dealing, then there will be a good result for you people. If you are married right now, you will spend quality time, but after 15 June, avoid ego battles with your spouse and your partnership if you have any business partnership. Beside the fact that Jupiter is already transiting from your seventh house, you will able to manage all the things and you will get great result regarding your life, regarding your all aspects of life, because your ascendant is right now in a strong position, because ascendant lord is expecting itself from your seventh house. Jupiter expecting to your first house, and Sagittarius, your ascendant is right now in a strong position. So you will be able to tackle all the difficulty which we have just talked regarding sixth house related matter. Mercury controls your seventh house and your tenth house, and Mercury will change two signs in the month of June. Firstly, Mercury will move from your sixth house to your seventh house around 6 June 2025, and from your 7th house to your 8th house around 23rd June 2025. Major portion of this prediction, Mercury will be stay into your 7th house. So Sun, Jupiter, and Mercury will be present into your 7th house after 15 June. You will have great result regarding whatever you are doing, your regarding your work related matter, your fame will increase, you will have great result regarding your business partnership related matter. Your social circle will also increase after 15 June, because Jupiter, Mercury, Sun will be present in your seventh house, and seventh house always impacting your ascendant, because all the planets expecting to a seventh aspect, and on the other hand, there is your ascendant. So your ascendant is right now in a strong position. You will get great result, but for sometimes Jupiter and Mercury will be in a combust position. So that's why we were saying previously you need to avoid ego battles with your spouse and your business and business partnership related matter. Venus controls your 11th house and your 7th house, and Venus is just moved from your 4th house to your 5th house in the sign of Aries. Till the whole month of June, Venus will stay into your 5th house. What is 5th house? Is your children, it's your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your early education till college life education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, etc. Sincere love relationship also represented by your 5th house. So 11th house lord is present. 11th house lord is right now present into your 5th house and expecting its own house. What is 11th house? Is your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of your hopes and wishes. Your friend circle, professional circle are seen from 11th house. Your image in society is represented by 11th house. Your gains, your recognition, power of your signature is represented by 11th house. Your elder brother and sisters and your support system, your sources are represented by 11th house. So till Venus is present in your 5th house, you will get great result regarding your children's related matter if you have children into your life. If you are not married, you don't have children, then if you have any sincere love relationship, then you will get great result regarding all of that matter. And if you're in education life, you will also able to get achievement into your education, because 11th house lord is present in your 5th house. Regarding 11th house related matter, your social circle will increase as we discussed previously, because Jupiter is starting from your 7th house and Jupiter is generally expansion. So Jupiter will expand the qualities of your 7th house. So you will be able to make a lot of new friends till the next year, till Jupiter is starting from your seventh house, and Venus expecting its own house, giving the ability to get great result from your get-togethers. You will have great support system. You slowly, but but till next year, you will be thinking of that you will have great social circle, and they will be very supportive to you, and they will bring and they can bring success to you in some way, because Jupiter is also aspecting to your 11th house. Venus also controls your sixth house, and sixth house, as we discussed previously in Sun section, if you are facing some court case, litigation, argument, then things will turn into your favor. Mars controls your 12th house and your fifth house, and right now Mars is transiting from your eighth house. There is a good news for all the Sagittarius ascendant people, because Mars was previously moving in its debilitation sign. So Mars will come out from its debilitated state around 7 June 2025, and will be transiting from your ninth house in the sign of Leo rest of the month. So what is ninth house is your teacher, your mentor, your guider, your advisor, your religious matter, your religious inclination, your long distance travel, pilgrimages, visiting some religious places, long distance travel as well as seen from ninth house. 12th house Lord being transiting from your ninth house, you will get travel opportunity if you are into are looking to travel somewhere. You will get great result regarding your education related matter if you are in education life. So previously you were facing a lot of difficulty when Mars was in its debilitation state, but now when Mars will move from your eighth house to your ninth house, so Mars will be in a good position. And with K2, Mars will give you tremendous amount of energy regarding your education related matter, regarding all the ninth house related matter. But just you need to be take care of your living significance of your ninth house, like your teachers, mentor, guide, or advisor. There are high possibility you may get some aggression, so you may get some argumentation and differentiation of point of view with them. So try to take care of these matters. The rest we can expect great result for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Sagittarius ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.